Welcome to my latest build in my garden. As you can see, it's a 6x10 black aluminium greenhouse, and it houses some of my, not necessarily frost tender plants, but I would argue rain tender. So that's the cacti, succulents, lemon tree, even a grapevine. And I use this greenhouse specifically, as I said, not for the heat capacity and the frost protection, but for protecting it against the worst of northern English winter rain, which is more damaging in my view than the actual cold, because it doesn't really get that cold in the UK. But as you can see, we have plenty of succulents. I also have a cyclamen garden involved in these wooden planters. We've got Washingtonia robustas, we've got Cycas revolutia, all sorts of Echeveria. And as I said, this is where I store them for now, and they may be transplanted outside once they're a little bit bigger. But this is a relatively new build. This is only constructed approximately a week ago, 2 weeks ago. So things are just finding their place. And I wanted to sort of turn it into a room, so an outdoor room, as well as a greenhouse functionality speaking. So we have a Norfolk pine there, which I'm pretty proud of. There's something about the look of them. And here we move on to my Mediterranean style. It's more like an English-Spanish hybrid Mediterranean garden. We have Phoenix canariensis. We have all sorts of Rudbeckia. We have a little pond surrounded by sedums. We've got a large Washingtonia robusta. Well, hopefully we'll get larger. And yeah, we got a dahlia border. This is just, as I said, a hybrid between English meets Mediterranean. We've spent a little while on it. We got some olive trees next to the bench. I do hope you like the look of it. I'm going to update the garden as we go along throughout the season. And I want to show you how it gets through northern English winter, the northwest of the UK, which is notoriously very wet and windy. I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for watching.